Kia koutou, ko rata or cross country. It's cross country day. Ko Felicity toku ingoa. My name is Felicity.
And Māori Te Anau SCHOOL, ko Ryah ahau. I'm Ryah. Welcome to the morning report for Māori, the 22nd of May.
Starting the day with Te kupu or Te wiki. This week's word is puke, which is Te Anau Māori for hill.
And everyone has a puke nui to run up out on Murray's farm.
It's an early morning test day and an extra special ride in the bus for some of us.
And bus students, especially those going home in a car from cross country, milk yourself off the bus, please.
Yeah, head over to the office and sort it out now, pronto.
And speaking of the office, if you have any forms to hand in, pop them in the mailbox, please. Kia ora.
Okay, health and safety news. High VIZ vests. Everyone wearing them to and from school.
Most students are tino pai koutou.
And while we're out on the farm today, remember your pride and care of your belongings, including all your rubbish.
We know optimism will be everywhere and visible on your faces. Top effort all round.
And togetherness. Cheer your mates on and support everyone giving their all today. Let's go!
Okay, birthday news. No birthdays today at Te Anau SCHOOL. Sad face.
But in the weekend, 2 Year 6s get a little closer to getting their driver's license.
Yes, Rowie and Kari both turn legs 11, which is appropriate because you'll be feeling those legs tomorrow.
And Jack from room 1 will probably celebrate his birthday by doing laps of the farm in a tractor.
Rafano kia koutou, enjoy your birthdays. Save some cake for me!
Okay, that's it for today. From everyone here at the Morning Report team, ka kite atera wiki. See you next week.
Get up those hills, Te Anau SCHOOL. Mā puke aku ki te taunata.